Hey everybody, I'm making this video to show you what to look for when replacing your roof. Now, a lot of times you might wonder, what do I look for when replacing a roof? Is it bad? Does it need to be replaced? Does it need to be patched? Well, I'm going to show you a roof that desperately needs a new roof, but doesn't necessarily look like it from afar. So, let me flip the camera around and show you. Alright, here's the roof here, and the shingles look okay. Don't look like they're in very terrible shape. You can see above the garage here, it is very uniform. Nothing's missing, not a lot of debris. But when you get up close and you look at the wall here, if you can see on the video, you can see these drips dripping down the side of the house, coming down right here, all that. Now that means that there's water coming off the drip edge and coming below here, dripping on the backside of the soffit here and then down. You can see some moisture up here, and this is probably, it's not bad, but there's definitely been some moisture up there. And then you come over here, same deal. Same deal here. Water is getting behind the soffit, failure of the drip edge. And then on this side over here, you can see moisture getting behind the paint. It's peeling right here. Now that's water coming off the drip edge. It's not doing its job. Right there. And you can definitely see it right here. Now, if you look up what's above that, what I can see down here is a patch right there. And then over here, above this other one, patch up there. Now, I bet if we got up on the roof and looked at that patch, that it's improperly patched. You can even see there's some paint bubbling all the way over here, and you can see that drip edge where it cuts over right there. All along there on that drip edge, there's mold. Now, that tells me that there's a failure underneath as well, getting behind that waterproofing up there. Now, let's go up on the roof and see what we can see. Alright, now we're up here on the garage, and you can see right over here that waviness to the roof here. And it starts to flatten out a little bit over here too, right when you get on the roof. Now, there's decking underneath here. Oh, and you can see this this drip edge right here. They did not put it underneath the weatherproofing. So all that water is going right underneath this, right off here. And these shingles are just old and have failed. You can see they've pulled through all up here. It's not even doubled up right there. Yeah. And then the decking, we're gonna find the decking yet. It's just real soft. So that means there's been a lot of water. We get up here, a lot of water sitting on top of this decking, probably for a few years here. If I step if I look right here, it's really soft. My foot's gonna go right through the decking underneath here. So that's one thing you want to look for. If you look at this as a whole, it looks real nice. But in actuality, there's some major issues. A little bit of moss on the front side. But not bad. But then we get over here. Let's go look at that patchwork that we were looking at. As I'm walking across here, it's real soft. This decking's been getting beat up. So what we got here is some patchwork. You can see there's a little bit of glue showing in right here. Not a good sign. And oh, we got a vent that's been covered up here improperly. So at one point there was a vent here, and they took that vent out and just went and slapped a shingle on top of it and glued it down. Yep. They didn't even glue it all the way. These nails aren't even straight. And so all of that water's been getting underneath. Oh yeah, it's soaked. It's just been, there's a missing nail here. It's just running down under all of this. And then under the drip edge here. Oh, we got some patchwork here. I don't even know what's going on here. Oh, that's just a mess. Well, yeah, okay. Yeah, some bad work there. I see another patch down here. Missing nails. More patchwork here. Let me guess, it's another vent. Oh, another vent hole. All right, throw some shingles over it. Okay. And we've got a vent here. It's kind of strange. Not sure if that's leaking. It looks okay. Oh, but wait. Let me put my foot here. Ooh, it's really soft. Really bouncy. Something's not right here. Got some moisture under there too. Oh, here's another patch. Oh, another vent hole? Huh. This patch looks much better than the other one, but we got some glue here. Which kind of looks weird. Not the right way to do it. That one actually looks like it might have been holding its own there. And then if you just go and take a walk around, kind of lightly step on the roof here, see if the decking's squishy underneath. It's kind of a squishy spot right here where it looks like there might have been some patchwork up here. So it might have been some patchwork, a lot of patchwork done at one point in time. But I'm going to say this roof is in need of replacement. Oh yeah, right down here it's real squishy. And then we got some failure of some shingles and the decking. I can just see from that one right there that the decking is need to be replaced. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see in the video, but look how squishy that is. If I put my whole weight on this, it's just gonna, I'll go right through. Oh yeah, yeah. So in the next couple of days, after we get our permits, we're going to replace this roof, replace some decking, and I will make a video of the whole thing. But that's what to look out for when replacing your roof. because it's not leaking on the inside, but underneath the facet it's leaking pretty bad and dripping along the side of the house, ruining the paint. And so we need to get this shingles replaced, decking replaced, new weathering, weather stripping and all that, and drip edge, and get this taken care of. Maybe make this look a little nicer. Oh, might need some decking on the front side here too. Looks like it might have some water damage on the front over here. Got some squishy spots. Yeah, it's definitely a squishy spot over here. Nails coming up. But it's a pretty old roof. We have pretty hard winters. Got to get this replaced. All right. Stay tuned for the next video.